Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into Trezor, specifically the website, found at trezor.io. This platform serves as the official online hub for Trezor hardware wallets, offering a wealth of information for both prospective and current users. Navigating the site, you'll find detailed product specifications, encompassing everything from supported cryptocurrencies to security features. Trezor emphasizes its commitment to user privacy and security, highlighting the open-source nature of its hardware and software. This transparency allows for independent audits and community contributions, reinforcing the platform's commitment to robust security practices. The website provides comprehensive documentation, including user manuals, troubleshooting guides, and FAQs, designed to address a wide array of user queries. You'll also discover resources devoted to educating users about best practices for securing their digital assets. Trezor offers various hardware wallet models, and the website clearly delineates the features and benefits of each, allowing users to make informed decisions based on their individual needs. Furthermore, Trezor.io provides information on purchasing genuine Trezor devices, cautioning against counterfeit products and directing users to authorized retailers. Beyond product information, the website delves into the broader ecosystem of cryptocurrency security, offering insights into topics such as seed phrases, private key management, and the importance of offline storage. For developers and advanced users, the site provides links to technical documentation, APIs, and community forums. This comprehensive approach ensures that users of all technical levels can find the information they need to effectively utilize Trezor hardware wallets and navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency security. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting your journey, Trezor.io offers a valuable resource for safeguarding your digital assets. Remember to explore the links in the description for more information.